Hello, welcome to Social Media Tech. Today we are going to look at part 2 of average functions in Excel. If you watch our part 1, you understand how we started. So if you don't watch our part 1, please do well and watch the part 1 of average functions in Excel. Thank you. Well, let's start. Now, let's look at the way another method you can use in average if. Example 2. I have region. I have profits. I have east, west, north, south, and midwest. And these are the profits here. Let me cancel this out first. Okay, I'll cancel this one out and then explain it as I'm practicing it. Okay. Now, one, I want to find the average of this cell from in the region from east to midwest, and then it should only find the average of only region that contain west and give me the average. That's what I'm looking at now. At the second example, only region with west. I want to look for the average. So how do I go about it? All right. Okay, from there to here, then comma, and then I'm looking for only west. Remember in our some tutorial, the other tutorial video, I taught you how to make use of asterisk when you're looking for a specific letter among the sets of cells you have or ranges you are making use of. How to fetch out specific letters. Now we have something like midwest here and we have west, but so far that there is west, I need average of them. Okay, so I'm going to look at that by using asterisk plus equal to. So I'll put it as equal to, put the asterisk and then put west. Then I'll look at the amount here. All right, so I hit enter. So automatically now it looks for west, number 1, and then midwest, and then find me the average of them. Another method, which is the second result, I want to find the average of all the profits for all regions, excluding new office. That is, it should give me the average of all the regions except for new office. It's just this method now is similar to that first one. That's the first result. So I'll just make use of the formula again. Equal to average if equal to, then I'll select from here. Okay. Now in this case, I told you the other day that in Excel, equal to is you make use of equal to. How to write equal to in Excel? You make use of less than and greater than. Less than and greater than. That is right. Check in the formula bar here, you will see it. I mean equal to. If P26 to P30 is equal to, and I put to find the specific word I'm looking at, I put star, bracket, new office. I close the brackets and then close the quote, comma. Then in this other cell, find me the average. So I hit enter. So you see now, 18,589 naira Good. So practice more on how to just think on how you can find the average of what you're working on, the method of which, from this example I've given you now, you can just look at what to find, how to find average of what you have at hand, apply different styles and method. All right, let's go to the last one now, which is Averageifs. This one now makes use of multiple criteria, and there's something very special about this function right here, right now. We have student name, we have first, second, and final exam, which they participated in first and second quiz and write exam for their final, that is their final exam. Now, there's something I want to do. I want to find the average of the first quiz grade that falls between 70 and 90 for all the students. The average for the first quiz grade that falls between 70 and 90 for all the students. The score marked incomplete is not included. If you look at what is happening here now, I have a student did not participate, so it's incomplete. So okay, for here now, look at it in the first quiz. So this person did not participate, so it's incomplete. So this one is not included. But any other thing, find the grade that falls between 70 and 90. So how do I go about it? Let me remove this thing from here. Okay, let me just explain this from the formula bar here, because I've already written it down there. Now, in Q41 down to Q45, I'm looking for only that. That is the only column I'm dealing with. So anything I'm doing only remains inside that column or that range of cell. That is why you see that everything, if you look at the formula bar, everything is Q41 to Q45, the first range of cell, Q41 to Q45, the average, the criteria range 1, then the criteria range is the criteria 1 is 70, then the criteria range 2 is Q41 to Q45, and then the criteria 2 is 90. Or let me just write it for you so that you understand what I mean by this. Let me delete everything and write it for you. Now, equal to average if. So remember, I'm dealing with only this cell, only for the first quiz. So I highlight from here down to here, comma. I come again, highlight again from here down to here, comma. Remember the formula for this, the syntax for the Averageifs is average range, comma, criteria range 1, comma, criteria 1, criteria range 2, criteria 2. So now I've done the first one, which is average range, still in that very cell range. Then criteria range 1, still in that same range of cell. So now I'm going to deal with the criteria 1, and then I'm going to put, remember, I'm looking for at 70 and 90. So it's going to be greater than 70. Then I close it back. And then the last one should be what? Greater than 90. I mean, less than 90. So I'll still make use of this criteria, this range of cell. Okay. Last thing is hanging now. So I type Q41, all through Q45. That thing is, sorry, Q45, 45. Okay, that's it. So the second criteria now is that it should be less than what, 90. So I just put it. All right, see now, 80.5 is example 2, Averageifs. Now I have type of house here, I have the price for the house, I have town, I have number of rooms, I have garage. If you can see here, you see their prices, you see the type of houses, you see the town that they are, you see the rooms, you see the I mean, question here, is there any garage? Yes or no? Yes. So how can I use Excel to evaluate this kind of a thing in Excel? Remember, in some ifs we have multiple criteria or multiple ranges of cell to deal with. So let me clear this and write it one, then you do the second one on your own. As you watch the video, do the second one. That's an assignment for you. Do the second one on your own. If you have question, ask later. So let me do the first one for you. So now I put equal to average if. So I want to find the average of price of a home in Port Harcourt that has at least 3 bedrooms and a what? Garage. Now the city I'm looking at, the town I'm looking at is Port Harcourt, and it should be at least 3 bedroom and a garage. So now let me start the formula. So I highlight the price, okay, comma. So I highlight the second one. Remember, I'm looking for the town also. We are looking for the average of the price, and then the town which is the house is located, and then the rooms. So criteria range 1 is what? The town. So I'll put here PHC 10. The next thing to do, how many rooms? Sorry, I didn't put comma. Sorry. Okay. So now I'm looking for the number of rooms that PHC have. That's good. Okay, we are going. And it should be at least 3 bedroom flat. So I'm going to put greater than or equal to what? 3. Right, comma. Then I put the last one, comma, and then if there be garage, yes, tell me. All right, I hit enter. Yes. So now I have no answer for now. So let's find out why we are not having answer. Let's change something here in PH to no. Change here to no. And then change something here to 4. And also here to 4. Something is wrong somewhere. Let me amend this. Okay, I didn't close this. All right. Which I didn't close. Okay. Sorry, I've seen the error I've made here. There's a double quote there. That's supposed to be so. So, all right, everything is okay now. Still coming off PHE. All right. Sorry, 2. Okay. Let me turn here to yes now. All right. So you see now, we have a house that is at least 3 bedroom flat, and then up to 3 bedroom, I mean half a garage. But now we have 230,000 naira because there is only one. But if I turn this one to yes, I know that we have this other one too. One. Now the average of these two is 213,000. If I should remove this one to make it 2, it returns to the first one. So these are the way you can make use of average if, average A, and average in Excel. Take the video home, practice it, and if you have any question to ask, go to the channel and drop your comments, or go to Facebook and look for Jet Age Excel tutorials and locate our WhatsApp number there, or drop your comments, send message and ask your question. Practice this and we'll see you on Wednesday. Thanks. And don't forget to subscribe, share and like.